Hello everyone, I am Devrinjini from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to fix Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration. So first of all, go to Control Panel. Then select the power option. Choose what power button do. Then click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Make sure the option of fast startup is turned on. Then click on Save Changes and restart. The next method is Reset PCB or IP. Open your command prompt and right-click Run as Administrator. Paste the following options one by one and restart your device. Hope this will help you to fix your issue. If you want to know more details, please check out our Gossip Funda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.